Hi, this is Annie from the QuickBooks team. In QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise, you can set up a custom approval process for bills. Let's go over how to set up an approval workflow, how to put a bill through your approval flow, and then how the approver approves the bill. To start, go to the company menu and select Set up Approval Process. Then sign in to your Intuit account. You'll need to sign in as the admin to create a workflow. Select Get Started and then Setup in the Bill Template card. Create a name for your workflow, then enter the conditions you want to trigger the approval. You can add multiple if you want. In this case, we'll trigger an approval for any bill that is $500 or more from a vendor who we classify as materials. Then select what actions happen when your conditions are met. Who should approve the bill, who QuickBooks should notify, and what you want to happen if it isn't approved in a certain time period. Review the email your approver will receive. You can customize this if you want. When you are ready, select Save and Activate. Now your approval process is set up successfully. Select OK and you'll see it under Approval Processes. Bills created by the admin won't be sent for approval. Now, when you save a bill, QuickBooks will tell you if the bill needs approval. Select Send for approval. You can also save the bill as a draft and send it for approval later on. Once you send for approval, QuickBooks will notify the approver via email. Select Company and track and approve transactions. Approve or reject the bill. You can view the approval trail in the bill. Now you're ready to set up and use your own bill approval workflows in QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise.